Hi, I'm Eric Carr with EC Squared Real Estate. We are in the 90026 zip code. Angelino Heights, Echo Park, Silver Lake. Not only is this one of the areas that I specialize in personally, but I also invest here. So a lot of history here. Look, I was first introduced to Silver Lake 22 years ago. A lot of my friends, I was working at a record store in Hollywood. I was a teenager. A lot of my hipster artist friends, I don't know if we called them hipsters back then. I think that term came later, but my cool hip artist friends, musicians, they were all moving to Silver Lake. A lot has changed since then. This is the hip place to live. The inventory is tight. Right now, today, there are only 43 single family homes for sale in the 90026 zip code, and about 48 multifamily. So you can get a condo between 600 and 700,000. Most of the houses are between 1 and 2 million. As far as the multifamily homes go, duplexes, triplexes, small apartment buildings, you're gonna find them from the 800, 850,000 all the way up to 3 million. Again, a lot of those fall in the 1 to the 2 million range. Really, really awesome place to live. Good walking neighborhood, good for families, pets. If you got pets, awesome place. There's a dog park up the street right next to the reservoir. In the coming weeks, I'm gonna bring you video that sort of showcase what's happening here in the real estate market, the business market, what's being developed. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour. Thank you. EC Squared signing out.